Hey guys, it's Tony's Phone Collection. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be unboxing the Samsung PM-840. It's an older Sprint phone. Inside you're going to get your welcome guide. Welcome to Sprint. Your Samsung battery. OEM Samsung charger. This phone could actually use two chargers. You could use that one or the standard Samsung port. Put the battery in. It's a fully functional device. On the left side you have your 2.5mm headphone jack along with your volume keys. On the bottom you got your two ways of charging it. Little flap. On the right side you have a camera key and a speaker key. On the front you have a VGA camera, a small front display on there. That does fully work. Thanks for watching, guys.